Gong practice number 266. Today is Thursday, February 11th, 2021. It's currently like 8:50 for me, but I just finished the Gong practice actually. I decided to just go to make the intro after I was done playing, just see how I felt about it and just share that beforehand so you know what's about to happen. It's great. The beginning seems pretty intense, a lot of energy. I could feel it in my chest vibrating through my arms and legs, just really brought a good charge. And then I got into a state of just like, I don't know where I went, but I'm just striking the gong and feeling good. So I know it's going to be a good sound journey. So all you have to do is close your eyes, or lie down first, honestly. Lie down, close your eyes, and then focus on your breath. Turn off your cell phone, anything that may distract you. And you should probably do all that before you lie down and close your eyes, because that would make more sense. And I don't know why I say things in the order that I do, but I do. So anyway, if you have noise canceling headphones, I recommend them. They're not required, but they'll help cut out some of the static. If you want to be awake while I'm playing, you can be awake, but do not drive a car or operate any heavy equipment or anything that you need to really pay attention to, because you could zone out. You could go somewhere else, and we don't want that to happen to you or to anybody else, right? So this is just about being present. 30 minutes of listening to the gong come in and change you. It's going to just rearrange some things inside you, and all you have to do is lie there, be still, and focus on your breath. Breathe in through the nose, out of the mouth if you like, or in the nose, out of the nose, in the mouth, out of the mouth, whatever works for you. Just focus on your breath. But I recommend taking nice deep breaths in through your nose and filling your lower belly as much as you can, and then fill your chest and then let it go, just like that. Just filling as much air as you can, because that air is the energy, it's the oxygen that we need, our bodies need. So that just help replenish the oxygen. As you exhale, just let everything go that's no longer serving you. Just let it all go. Just exhale, just gone. Release anything, tension, negativity, anything that's no longer does you any good. Just let it go and breathe, and you just focus on your breath. You can do a nice rhythmic breathing state and let the sounds do the rest. If your mind starts wandering, just come back to your breath. If you start seeing a bunch of stuff, just notice it, observe it, and then journal it afterwards. If you have a journal handy, so right when you wake up you can scribble some scribbles, whatever you need to do, because you can learn a lot about yourself with the gong. You can. This gong's changed my life, promise you that. My life has been transformed because of this gong right here behind me. Gravitated towards playing it in April of 2019, going to a gong 3-day gong class. Supernova Sarah, she held it, she taught me, she's my gong teacher. This used to be her gong. And during that gong practice, the gong weekend of learning to play, I was gravitating towards this gong. I just felt like playing it. I don't know why I did. And then 6 months later, is that right? Yeah, almost 6 months, 10 months later, 8 months later, December, so it was April to the end of December, she said she felt like it was time for it to go, and that she felt that she brought it here for somebody else, and it's time for it to go. And right when she posted it, I saw it and said I'd take it. Bam. And then it's been in my house, it's been in my possession ever since. And just that weekend of learning to play, just the sounds, there was like a 4-hour sound bath at the end of Saturday, and Sarah played for 4 hours, and I woke up the next day different, noticeably different. I noticed something was different about me, for sure. And little things I just dropped out of my life, bad habits, things that were not serving me, and I completely let it go, and just let go of so many different ways I was thinking about so many different things, just all transformed over a 4-hour journey. And this is just me. 30 minutes of practicing is all I'm providing right now, because it's my daily practice to help me stay me, help me keep myself centered, help keep my energy aligned. And I feel like now maybe I really been thinking about it the last 2 weeks. I haven't got to it yet, but do my gong practice first thing in the morning, and maybe I should just do that. Maybe I just need to do that, and the only person that's stopping me is myself, and not going to bed early enough because I'm up at 9 o'clock making a gong video. So I just need to reset my schedule and get it all back on track. But anyway, this sound journey is going to be amazing. It was amazing for me. I just experienced. So you just focus on your breath. It's 30 minutes. I'll wake you up when it's done. And I'm going to look just like I do right now, because I'm just going to hit stop, and then I'm going to hit play. So it's like you're just going to go to close your eyes, 30 minutes, focus on your breath. And then you'll see me again when you open your eyes. It'll be me. That's who it will be. So go ahead and focus on your breath. Nice deep breaths in through your nose, out of your mouth. Also, if I didn't mention, because I don't know, because I was just free-flowing, rambling, if you feeling the need to sneeze or cough or anything like that, itch, twitch, feeling tingling sensation, it's just the sounds moving through you. So just accept it. Let them do what they're going to do. Thank you very much. I love you. You'll see me in a moment. Have a beautiful journey. I hope you enjoy it. Nothing but love and positivity coming from me through the screen speakers to you for you to enjoy. So enjoy. Thank you very much. Enjoy. I say it again. I don't know why I keep saying it, but I will. Enjoy. Thank you. Slowly bring your attention back to yourself. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Wiggling your fingers and toes as you let it all go. How was the journey? Was it as magical as I said it was going to be? I hope it was. I felt it was. And that was a while ago when I did it. Welcome back. Take all the time that you need to come back into your body. If you feel really out of it, just focus on wiggling your fingers and toes and you'll come back in sooner. You start with the small extremities and then your light will come right back inside. Just like that little vacuum. It'll happen. So if you want to share your experience below, feel free to do so. I think sharing is the best thing that can happen. We can all learn from each other. We can grow from each other. We can help jog each other's memories by saying, hey, this is what happened to me, whatever. Anyway, do whatever you want. You don't have to write anything. You don't have to do anything. I don't even know if anybody's even listening to this, honestly. I'm just making videos and recording them and posting them. Maybe someday somebody will watch them. Who knows? It doesn't matter, really. It's just me doing something with my time. And all we have is time, and also all we have is now. The time is limited, but it's also infinite. It's crazy when you think about all the different things. But anyway, 5 principles of Reiki, I'll share those because I do every single day. Just for today, I will not anger. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I'll be grateful. Just for today, I'll be kind to others. And just for today, I'll focus on my work. Those 5 things I think about every single day helps me stay me. That's what it does. It's just another part of me I just picked up a couple years ago and said, you know what? I'm just going to make that happen. That was in 2018. Holy moly, 3 years now. Almost 3 years I've been saying that thing. And it is just for today. No anger inside, no worrying. Grateful. I mean, sometimes worry does come about. I mean, last week when I went to a friend's house and they're going to have a baby and they said that the doula and midwife weren't coming. It was just going to be us. There was a little bit of worry, to be honest. I had a little worry. Instantly, I was just like, shit. I don't know anything about anything. But then I just thought about it and said, well, it's their life. It's their story. I'm just here to help. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to even think about any negative thought because that doesn't do me any good. I'm just going to think positive thoughts and just put positive energy out there and see what happens. And guess what happened? There was no issue. And I held my friend Sam by the armpits in a squatted position as she was giving birth to her 4th child in their pool in their living room. And it was a crazy, amazing experience. And that's being present in the moment with a little bit of time that we have. That experience, wow, so awesome. So just sharing like that, just sharing what you experience in life. It helps people see that life is beautiful, it's crazy, it's magical, it's all those things. But it was also going back to the fact that I was just talking about Reiki and not worrying, right? So I didn't worry that day. And it just turned out awesome. That was my whole connection. I don't know why. I had a little disconnect with my thought process. That happens sometimes. But anyway, thank you for listening. Another video coming tomorrow, every single day. Trying to, at least, anyway. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a beautiful now. Right now. Have a beautiful now. Laugh more, love more, and smile more. Because the world needs smiles. And all you need is love. Spread love. Love is the answer 100%. Love will lead the way. This world's going to change because we're going to raise the vibration to the frequency of love. Love being the highest frequency, fear being the lowest. I want to live in a world of love, so I play the gong and share vibrations. So enjoy. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and more sounds coming soon. More other thoughts coming soon, honestly. I'm going to start sharing other thoughts because why not? So that's going to happen soon. Thank you very much. I love you. Have a beautiful now. Thanks.